Hi internet friends, it's Elaine. If you're new here, hi, I'm Elaine and I think you should be my new subscriber. So today we are celebrating the 23rd day of May. Can I get a May 23?
May 23!
Okay, good. First of all, can I give a shout out to some of the people who commented on my last video? If you haven't seen that, I will link it up here. It's my first vlog during quarantine and my first vlog after a few months, really. My last vlog was Vlogmas day 1 and I didn't continue Vlogmas. Yeah, that's it. And today I decided to vlog again because everybody's home right now. Like, off ng mga frontliners namin. And it's a Saturday. It's gonna be a good day. I think this vlog will have 2 days. I don't know, depending on how long it is. Because if you saw my last vlog, that was 1 day and it took almost 20 minutes. So, I don't know how long this day will get. I actually ate breakfast already. It's already 7:42. I woke up past 6 o'clock. And the reason why I didn't vlog when I woke up was because I was very stressed at the moment because one of my instructors replied to my emails of me sending my requirements, and then yun pala, nasend ko yung file with the password. He told me, pakitanggal yung password bago mo isend, ganun. So nagpanic ako, syempre. I wanted to send it agad. Baka mamaya nakaka-cost ako ng delay. So, okay na, nasend ko na siya. I made coffee. I'm okay now. I'm energized. I'm just waiting for like a few minutes, more than 30 minutes kasi breakfast kinain ko. I know, I'll bring you downstairs because I know one of my customers. Oh, let's make the menu for my cafe. Let's go.
Oh, wait, I will check if the feet are injured because it... Ay!
Ay, bakit?
Tumae. Wala, nagulat ako sa'yo, mami. Kala ko may sugat.
Kala ko din.
Masyado kayong nervyo.
There's a birdie!
Saw the bird, right, in the kitchen, and you're like, why do they have a bird in their kitchen? So here's the story. Last night,
It's my...
yeah,
It's yesterday.
I don't really know.
It's yesterday. So yesterday, we found a bird outside around, I don't know, it was 2, but I think it was there since 1. And we just left it there. I don't know why we left it there. And then so last night, we decided to bring it in to make it well. And it might be our neighbors because they own some birds over there. So this bird was attacked by a cat. So last night, Mommy brought it in. They prepared a little box for it, and it just kind of just stayed there for the whole night inside the bathroom downstairs. And then
They brought it out.
wait. This morning, they brought it out of the bathroom, and then they brought it out of the box, and now it's in the kitchen. They're trying to feed it. I'm not sure. Did it already eat? No. So we don't know what birds like.
You were trying to feed it chia seeds.
So that's all that happened. A bird that got attacked by a cat.
You know that cat. He's been like coming here for days. You know, he even went inside the house.
So yeah, that's the story about the bird.
I call it Beanie. They call it Robin or
I call it General Quarantine.
I call it Beanie. Such a
Hello
classic
guys,
bebe.
this is Zuski.
Explain yourself.
Hey guys, so it's now around 10. Is it still 10:14?
Yeah.
Okay, 10:14 a.m. I just finished my workout. That's Megan over there.
Hello, internet friends.
Yeah. That's Michaela.
I'm bored.
Oh, Michaela's busy. Do you want to show yourself to the vlog? That's her. Samantha's still going downstairs, but me, I cannot take it anymore. So I'm going to be eating breakfast. A post-workout snack because I ate a pre-workout breakfast. Now, post-workout. O, diba? Hey guys, it's raining now. I'm here with Samantha. Samantha, you are my subscriber. Yeah, nakapatong kayo sa kanya.
You should be.
Ano?
You should be my
Oo, sinabi ko kaninang umaga. Pinapanood niya yung vlog na in-upload ko kahapon. Aray, sakit. Yung vlog na in-upload ko kahapon. Tapos sabi niya, masok siya sa kwarto. Hindi mo ginawa yung you should be my new subscriber. Tapos yun na lang, inulit-ulit niya na yun buong gabi. Basta dadaan ako, you should be my new subscriber. So, ayun. It's raining now, guys. Pakita ko yung view namin. Ayan. Wala kaming view. Gusto kong kumain ng ref cake. Guys, kakain ba ako ng ref cake? Yes or no?
Mamaya na.
Ref cake?
Game?
Game. Okay, wait. Wait, guys. Meron kaming special business dito.
Hi, internet friends. It's currently 1:08 p.m. and downstairs our cousins are watching Elaine's last vlog. Just from a few days ago, downstairs on the TV. And Elaine doesn't want to go downstairs because
I'm shy.
hi, internet friends. We have devastating news. So, Beanie, general quarantine, or Robin, whatever you'd like to call him, has died. And Megan's crying. So we're on our way to the scene right now.
Michaela, have you
Yes.
Oh.
Dapat kasi di yung pinangalanan ay ang may na-attach.
It's okay.
That's so sad. How do you feel about general quarantine?
General quarantine. You better ask Megan.
Man, how do you feel? How do you feel?
Stop, don't show me.
Ate Sam, how do you feel?
I am in shock.
That's so sad.
Okay, so we will be going to Robin's memorial. Oh, bring this.
Okay, hello internet friends again. So we are going to see where Robin was placed, but not buried. They haven't buried him yet. So we're here outside. Hello there, friends. So this is where he is. At the Michaela's Rose. And she's right
Salute
here.
to general quarantine.
Farewell, General. That's where he is.
Poor Beanie.
They can't find a place to bury him, and plus it's raining already.
Beanie just died.
I know. Hello, Zeus. How do you feel about Robin?
I
Beanie?
wanted to eat him alive.
Oy, hindi pa, ibalik niya.
Zeus, you're trying to be a
Hindi
murderer.
mo pa lang yung CG.
What?
Ano yun?
What?
We're confused.
ECG, enhanced community. Princess Bubblegum? Is that you?
Hello, Princess Bubblegum.
I know, Finn. I know.
So, Princess Bubblegum, how do you feel about our dead bird?
Please, no camera.
Hey guys, I'm secretly vlogging while we looked at the Elaine.
Hi, internet friends.
Wait, retake, not too loud. We don't want Elaine to know. Okay,
Wait. No, wait. After. 3, 2, 1, go. Never mind.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. It is May 20. It's May 24th. I will be showing you what I'm wearing because gusto ko magpanglabas kasi Sunday. What are those? Anyways, so yeah, I'm wearing a black crop top. These are the shorts. I got them from Samantha. So yeah. Oh wait. Okay, so What? Yeah, so mommy cut my hair. Okay, so we're gonna do it now. We're gonna do it now. We're gonna do it now.
Hindi ko tuloy mahati ng mabuti.
Hey, it's cute yun.
Go, mommy, go!
Ito ha.
Oh, mommy's cutting it!
Agad?
Yeah. You want tomorrow?
No, it's just on my work.
Oh, see, ang iksi na.
Mommy!
Oh my goodness! You have a nice hairdo, Elaine.
Thank you, Michaela. Can you like put it to the front? Oh, it's okay. Oh! You don't have to punch my heart, Michaela.
Your heart is on your left. And that is
quiet
your left. Okay.
Mga 3 to 5 days auntie. Pag yan ang hotel, kailangan sa accredited lang, di ba? Oo. Pero,
What? Oh my god. And yeah, I actually changed so that I will be taking pictures for the Instagram, you know. Kunyari lang. Yeah, so yeah, let me just take those pictures. Igo na yan! Zeus! Ayan. Bye guys! See you after I ligo! It is 11:11 and everybody's setting up for lunch. We're gonna have a boodle fight today. Medyo foggy dito sa room kasi there is usok. So yeah, I'll show you downstairs because everybody's downstairs. So we're gonna check out Megan. Megan is roasting. Can you show them your marshmallow?
It's not really
Oh, the lighting is here. Can I have one? Oh no. Guys, ginawa ko yung grill na yan. Naniniwala ba kayo? Yes or no?
Yes!
Oh, it's raining.
I'm gonna cover this one though. It's going. Okay,
That's not. Okay, it's ready. So, nakikita ko dito ngayon, we have shrimp. Uy, dyan, yung allergy natin. Fish. Ooh, crab. Corn. May mga talong dyan na naka-spread out. What is this liempo?
Yeah.
Liempo. We have rice. Ooh. And then, what else? Okra. Is that called okra? Yeah.
Bangus.
Bangus. Oh, yeah. Yan guys.
Kita nyo ba yan?
Nakikita niyo ba yan? Ang sarap niyan! And then, this is Mommy's homemade ice cream. Yan. Homemade mango ice cream. And, yeah! Tara guys, kain na tayo! Nilinis na po. Maghugas po kami, 20 seconds. Yes. Wash your hands, internet friends. I repeat, wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Yeah. Hands. Spell hands.
H-E-N-D-S.
Very good. It's 1:12. We finished eating lunch. We're so busog. Who's busog? No one? You're not busog? So no one's busog. But I'm very busog and we will go downstairs to see what they're doing. So let's go. This is Megan. Okay, stand straight. And then turn around. Do a full circle.